Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So you know that y equals x, the graph will look like this. And you know that y equals x squared, the graph will look like this. Y equals x to the power of 3 will look like this. Well, y equals 1 over x will look like this. Y equals 1 over x squared will look like this. And 2 to the power of x will look like this. I'm expecting you to know all these graphs. So now the first question. Suppose I've gone 4 across. What will be the coordinates for this point here? So straight up would be this point. What are the coordinates for this point here? It would be 4 because we've gone 4 across, comma something. What is that something? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so it would be well, you would put a 4 into this x here. So this whole thing here would be y equals 4. So you will in fact jump to 4. So this here would be 4. So the answer would be 4 across and then 4 up. So it should be like this, 4, 4. So next question, suppose I've gone 3 across, that's this 3 here. And then go, if I were to go straight up, it would be at this point. What are the coordinates of this point here? It would be 3 across, comma, something up. What is that something? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to find out the height, you would put a 3 into this x here. So that would be y equals, well, when you put a 3 into the x here, that would be 3, and then you've got your squared here. So 3 squared would be 9. So in fact, when you put 3 into here, it would jump to 9. It would jump to 9. So this thing, the height here would be 9. So the coordinates would be 3, 9. Okay. So next one. This one here is -2 because you've gone to the left, and then something down. So it would be -2, something. But what is this something here? Work it out. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to find out the y value, you would put a 2 you would put a -2 into this x here. So that will then become this. Y equals, and let me just imagine as -2, and then you've got your to the power of 3. To the power of 3. So what is -2 to the power of 3? That means -2 times by itself 3 times. Hang on. Times by itself 3 times. So let's just merge these two together first. So that would be -2 times a -2. Just do 2 times 2 as normal. That would be 4. But then you've got a negative times a negative. So that would be a positive. So these two bubbles here would then become positive 4. And then let's carry this thing down. Let's carry this thing down. So it would be like this. So now let's merge these two together. So let's do 4 times 2 as normal. So that would be 8. But then you've only got one negative here. So that would be -8. So the coordinates here would be -2 across, and -8 down. So this is -8. So the answer is -8, not to scale. Okay, so it's 2 across and actually -8 down. Okay, not to scale. So next question. I've gone 5 across and then something up. What is that something? So what are the coordinates of this point here? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to find the y coordinate, you would just put a 5 into this x here. So this whole thing would become 1 over 5. So the answer is 1 over 5 because you've gone 5 across and then a 5th up. So this is a 5th. Okay, next question. -2 across. So -2 across and something up. What is that something? So find the coordinates of this point here. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, let's put the -2 into this x here. So that would then become y equals 1 over -2 into the x, and then you've got your squared here. You've got your squared. So now what's negative 2 times negative 2? That would be, well, negative 2 times negative 2. 2 times 2 as normal, that would be 4. And then you've got negative times a negative, so that would be a positive 4. So so you've got your 1 here, you've got your 1 here. Well, overall the answer would be 1 over 4, which is a quarter. So this thing here would be a quarter. Okay, so last one. What are the coordinates here? It would be negative 3 across and then something up. What is that something? So press pause and have a go. Okay, so let's put the negative 3 into this x here. So that would be 2 to the power of negative 3. So well, whenever you see 2 to the power of a negative number, you don't understand what it means to have a power of a negative number. So you would immediately jump to 1 over 2 to the positive 3. So remember, I've already explained why this is the case. Whenever you have 2 to the power of a negative number, you don't really understand what it means to have a power of a negative. So you immediately jump to 1 over, and then it will then become a positive 3. And there's a reason why that is, and I've already explained that. So so now it's 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 would be 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. So your final answer would be 1 over 8. So you've got your 1 here, and then 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So the final answer is 1 over 8. So this thing here would be 1 over 8. Okay?